Welcome to my channel. I want to use this privileges to say thanks to God for making me to open this pages. This is my first YouTube channel. I will be throwing so many knowledge and how to build yourself and getting the right computing skill for you. In other words, I will be glad and so happy you subscribe to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you on how to make fake quality background for your YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe icon and we move on.
Hello everyone, so I'll be showing you on how to create a quality and a professional YouTube background for your videos and your content creation. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll go straight to our web browser. So making use of Bing and Canva. So here is our Bing account. We'll be generating a fashion studio background. So like I said, we're actually creating a background, a professional background for your YouTube channel background. So let's generate it. So you click on generate. So it's actually creating your image. So we're going to wait for some while so the image will be generated. Okay, the image is generated. So now these are the image. This is the fashion studio account. So we're going to choose the one you feel like, anyone you feel like here, anyone you like, you want to use for your video or any of your video or your content creation. We want to use it. So we'll click on it. You click on this one. Then after that, you're going to download it. So we'll download it, and okay, I've downloaded it. So let's go to. So the next step now, we are going to our Canva. So we're making use of YouTube thumbnails. So clicking on our YouTube thumbnails. So we're going to upload our image. So click on upload files. Then go to your image, then upload it. So in as much we are actually creating a background for your YouTube videos or any of your content creation, so we'll be making use. I don't have any video yet, but I have a talking AI. You can actually upload your image, your video in the same way I'm going to upload the AI I'm about to do here. So I'm going to upload the talking AI video. Okay, this is it. So but I'm going to show you on how I did that. So this is the AI. Click on the AI, then upload. So this is the AI. So I haven't said that. We're bringing it over here. These are our talking AI on your background video. So we're going to be increasing. Okay, so our video is uploaded. So now this is it. So like I said, this video is to illustrate to you on how to create a quality background for your videos or your content creations or any kind of video you are making. So through the use of Bing and your Canva, you can make all these possible. So now our background is ready, and our video is actually, this is actually my video, so it's actually ready. So now let us preview our work. So this is the end use. So actually you can actually download it if you want. So that is it. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I'll be throwing you some more hints on how to make so many professional things get ready to watch out my next video.